Welcome back to Travel Vibe, your ultimate travel companion. Today, we're diving into the world of RV camping. If you love the great outdoors but prefer to bring along the comforts of home, RV camping is the perfect adventure for you. Get ready to hit the open road and experience the freedom of exploring nature on wheels. RV camping combines the thrill of road trips with the joy of camping. Whether you have a small camper van or a spacious motorhome, your RV becomes your cozy home away from home. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, enjoying a hot cup of coffee in your own kitchen, and having all your essentials at your fingertips. One of the best things about RV camping is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to choose your destination, whether it's a serene lakeside retreat, a national park, or even a bustling campground near your favorite city. You can explore different regions, stop wherever you please, and stay as long as you want. It's the ultimate way to customize your adventure. When it comes to RV camping, there are options for every style and budget. From compact trailers to luxurious motorhomes with all the bells and whistles, you can find an RV that suits your needs. Many campgrounds provide amenities like electric hookups, water, and sewage connections, making your stay comfortable and convenient. RV camping is not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. The road itself becomes an integral part of your adventure. You can take scenic routes, discover hidden gems along the way, and create unforgettable memories. It's a fantastic way to bond with your travel companions and enjoy quality time together. While RV camping offers the comforts of home, it doesn't mean you'll miss out on outdoor activities. In fact, you'll have even more opportunities to explore nature. From hiking trails and fishing spots to stargazing and campfire cooking, there's something for everyone. RV camping allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the outdoors while still enjoying the luxuries of home. So, whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting your adventure, RV camping offers a unique way to experience the world. It's all about the freedom to explore, the joy of waking up to breathtaking views, and the convenience of having everything you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining us on this RV camping journey. Stay tuned for more exciting travel explorations right here on Travel Vibe. Remember, the road is calling, so let's embrace the RV camping lifestyle and let our wanderlust lead the way.